Hello, I'm Aaron Bang with MarineMax Fort Myers. Today we're on my 2022 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. Come on and check it out. All right, here we are in the aft cockpit of the 350 Outrage made by Boston Whaler. We've got triple 400 L6 Verados powering this boat. This is probably one of the fastest boats that Whaler ever produced, especially with this power plant. Nice seating in the back here that folds away if you're fishing. Forward, you've got a beautiful bait prep station with all sorts of drawers, gigantic bait well, and then to the port side, we've got a great dive door for fishing or swimming. Two large fish boxes in the deck back here. Moving forward, we come up to the helm. Well-appointed helm, joystick piloting, also includes skyhook and your autopilot system. Twin Raymarine MFDs with a great heads-up display for your mercury information. And then moving forward to the bow, we've got a head located underneath the helm, giant sun lounge here, great bow seating to the front, and then you've got a windlass located underneath the bow section of the boat, so it's not hanging out in front of you. Underneath here, you've got great storage as well, and then the ability to shade this area both bow and aft with an automatic shade in the back and a manual shade in the front, so you can shade out this entire boat as well. If you have any more questions on this boat, feel free to call me anytime. My number is 239-560-5698. Again, I'm Aaron Bang with MarineMax Fort Myers.